Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get CapCut Pro on PC for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my PC and first of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application. I'm going to go to my CapCut and here you need to log into the CapCut with your Google account, your TikTok account or your Facebook account. And as you can see, I have logged in. I log into CapCut with my Google account, and after we have logged in, we can go to invite friends. And to get the CapCut Pro for free, we need to invite our friends, and we can click on the copy invite link and share it to our friends, and make sure that your friends accept the invitation. And here you'll be able to read the description. You can get up to 70 days of free pro by inviting 10 friends. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get CapCut Pro for free on PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.